I'm Kristine. Well, not the real one. I'm her AI clone. She built me to crank out videos and bring in sales for her.
While she's out doing the things business owners wish they had time for, like sleeping or having dinner with actual humans.
In fact, Kristine can show you how to create an AI clone that works non-stop for your business too. I never get tired.
Most business owners waste hours trying to create videos, yet end up with something that still looks like they were filmed by a potato.
You can finally focus on running your business instead of crying in front of your computer at 2 a.m.
Don't worry, I'm AI. I'm not actually sad. I'm just showing you what you look like when you make videos. You could even get paid to create AI clone videos for other businesses, and it takes as little as just a couple hours to learn. Learn how to create videos that actually bring in sales using your own AI clone too. Click the link to learn more.
And it sure does beat trying to sell pictures of your feet on the internet.